AI niches are so new, most people don't even know they exist yet, and channels are already pulling 300,000 views per video with them using completely free tools. No face, no voice, no editing skills. In the next few minutes, I'm giving you the exact step-by-step workflow for all three. Not theory, the actual tools, the actual prompts, the actual process. So don't skip anything, because the small details are what separate videos that flop for videos that go viral. Let's get into it. All right, let's start with niche 1. The first niche is called Slow English Listening Stories. Here's the idea. Billions of people around the world are learning English, and beginners, A1, A2 level, are searching YouTube every single day for simple, slow stories they can actually understand. In the next few minutes, I'm giving you the exact step-by-step workflow for all three. Not theory, the actual tools, the actual prompts, the actual process. In the next few minutes, I'm giving you the exact step-by-step workflow for all three. Not theory, the actual tools, the actual prompts, the actual process. Look at this channel. It only published 73 videos and already gained over 170,000 subscribers. There is another one. This shows that this niche is extremely popular and has great potential. Okay, let's start the production. To create any video, we need an idea, a script, to generate images and turn them into a video. If you're not an expert, don't worry. I already prepared a master prompt for you. It will run the full workflow for you. Just copy the master prompt from the description and then paste it into a chat model. I am using Claude AI. Once you hit the send button, Claude will start analyzing the prompt and generate the content. Here you can see that it comes up with some ideas. All of them have great potential and learning value. If you are not satisfied with the idea, you can ask for more. Once you find the right idea, just copy the idea and paste it again in the prompt box. Now Claude will ask you another question. What will be the length of the video? According to my master prompt, you can create a 3 to 10 minute video. If you ask for shorter or longer, it won't work. So mention something between 3 minutes and 10 minutes. Claude is writing the script. Now you just have to preview the script. If you are not happy, ask Claude to do the customization. Once done, type confirm and hit the send button. Now Claude will break the script into scenes and create storyboard image prompts for every scene. It creates the key character prompts for every scene, and then creates the panel by panel prompt. In the first batch, it created 2 storyboard prompts. Now you can create the video prompts. You can confirm it. And if you want the rest of the storyboard prompts, type next. I will create all the storyboard prompts first. And these are the next and final batch of storyboard prompts. Now before generating the video prompt, I will create all the storyboard prompts. For the first storyboard, we have 3 characters. I will create the characters first so that it remains consistent throughout the video. And to do that, I will use Nano Banana 2 inside Google Flow. After coming to Google Flow, create the new project. Once the project is created, come to the prompt box and click here to set the settings. First, select the image generation mode. After that, set the aspect ratio. After that, you can select the image model and then the number of images. Once done, come to the prompt box and type, create a character sheet for this character. Now we have to enter the prompt. So, copy the first character prompt from Storyboard 1. Once done, hit the generate button to create the character sheet image. And here it is. The character sheet is ready. Look at this. This is really amazing. A perfect character sheet. Now let's create the second character sheet. Just ask to create a character sheet, enter the second character prompt, and then hit the generate button. While the image is generating, I will create the third character sheet image. Okay, all the characters are ready. Now it's time to create the storyboard image. So go back to Claude and copy the full storyboard 1 prompt. Now type, create a 6-panel, 2x3 storyboard image with this prompt, and then paste the prompt. Once the prompt is ready, we have to tag all the characters' images. So, find the name of the character inside the prompt. Our first character is Mia. I am typing @ after the name. Now, you will find all the images. Select Mia's character sheet. Once done, select the next character and mention the character sheet, and then the third character. Once done, hit the generate button. The storyboard images are generating, and here it is. The image is ready. Look at this. This is really amazing. It has all the 6 scenes. The characters and locations are consistent. Now let's create the second storyboard image. I am copying the second storyboard prompt, entering it in the prompt box, adding all the characters and then hitting the generate button. Now, following the same method, create all other storyboard images. Okay, all of our storyboard images are ready. Now it's time to create all the video clips. First, we have to generate the prompt. So, come back to Claude and type confirm. Now Claude will create all the video prompts. It may be done in several steps. Once all the video prompts are ready, come to the first prompt. Copy the prompt and come back to Flow. This time, I will use the agent mode because we are going to create 6 video clips at one time. Once the agent mode is selected, click on Settings. As the images are already ready, we don't need to customize anything. Come to the video settings, set the aspect ratio and video model. Once done, save it and come to the prompt box and type, using this storyboard, and then select the first storyboard image. And then type, and this prompt, then paste the prompt. In the end, type, create all the video clips. Now, hit the send button. Now, the agent will analyze the storyboard and prompt and then plan the video. It will create 6 video clips, and it will cost 72 credits. This is because I selected the Gemini Omni model. If you are a free user, you will get 50 free credits daily. Then you should use the VO 3.1 Lite model. As I have enough credits, I will hit the approve button. Now, the agent will start generating the video using the Gemini Omni model. And here it is. All the video clips are ready. And after reviewing all of them, I can say that all of them are really great. Some videos have a little flow, but we can fix them during the final editing. Okay, the first set of video clips is ready. Now I will move forward to the next batch. I will copy the second video prompt, add the second storyboard image, enter the prompt, and then generate the video. Once all the video clips are ready, using the same method, I will create the rest of the video clips. Okay, all the video clips are ready. Now I will save all of them to my device and then stitch them together to make the final video like this.
This is Mia. She is new here. Please say hello.
Hello, Mia! Hi. Nobody wants to sit with me. Hi, I'm Sam. Can I sit here?
So, we just created this high-quality slow English learning video. Now, let's move forward to the next niche. Look at this channel. They gained nearly 250,000 subscribers by making simple plant-growing time-lapse videos. This time, I will use another master prompt. Just copy the full prompt and paste it into Claude. Once you hit the send button, it will ask you to start the workflow. Just type, start. In the next step, it will come up with 10 plant name suggestions. You can select anyone from here after that. For the duration, I will keep it at 32 seconds. Now, Claude will create keyframe image prompts for the video. The number of keyframes will depend on the video duration. Okay, all the prompts are ready. Now we have to create the images. I will create another project on Google Flow. Once the project is created, go to the settings, set the image mode, select the aspect ratio, image model, and the number of images. Now copy the frame 1 prompt and paste it into the prompt box, and then hit the generate button. While the image is generating, copy the second frame prompt and paste it into the prompt box, and then hit the generate button. Now in the same method, copy all other prompts and start generating the video one by one. And here it is. All the images are ready. They are looking really good. If anything goes wrong, you can fix it here. Okay, all the images are ready. Now, it's time to turn them into video clips. First of all, we have to generate the prompts. So, come back to Claude, just type continue in the prompt box and hit the generate button. Claude will generate all the video prompts. Once all the prompts are ready, copy the first prompt and come back to Google Flow. Set the generation model to video. After that, set the mode to frames, because we will create the video in first frame and last frame base. Next, set the aspect ratio. After that, set the video model. If you are a free user, set VO 3.1 Lite. I will set VO fast. Okay, we are done. Now, I will add the first frame image. Select the first image. After that, add the second image as the last frame. Now, enter the prompt and hit the generate button. The video is generating. Now, I will create the second video clip. So, copy the second video prompt and paste it into the prompt box. This time, we have to set the second image as the first frame and the third image as the last frame. Once set, enter the prompt and hit generate. For the third video clip, add the third image as the first frame and the fourth image as the last frame, and then generate the video with the prompt. For the fourth scene, we have to use the fourth image as the first frame and the fifth image as the last frame. Okay, all the video clips are generated, and here it is. All the video clips are ready, and all of them look really good. Now save all of them and then create the final video. So now using this workflow, we can create amazing plant-growing time-lapse videos using only AI. Okay, now let's move forward to the next viral niche, handmade paper animation videos. This is another viral and trendy format right now. And to create this video, I'll use this master prompt. Just copy the prompt and paste it into Claude. Once you hit the send button, Claude will ask you for the niche. Select anyone from here. I will select history. Next, we have to enter the topic. Just any history-based topic. Once done, hit the send button. Claude will create all the video prompts scene by scene. Once the prompt is ready, come to Google Flow and create a new project. Set the video generator mode and reference mode. After that, set the aspect ratio and the video model. I will go with Gemini Omni Flash. In the end, set the duration according to the prompt. Once everything is set, hit generate. The video is generating. Okay, now I will create all other video clips. Just enter the prompt and generate the video. And here it is, all the video clips are ready. Now save all of them and make the final video like this.
Before the pyramids, before the pharaohs, there was the river. From the earth itself, they carved the beginning of a legacy. Stone by stone, hand by hand, 100,000 lives.
Quick recap. Niche 1, slow English stories, highest views per video, huge global audience. Niche 2, plant time-lapse, easiest to start, perfect for daily shorts. Niche 3, papercraft ASMR, the most scalable because AI does almost everything. My advice? Don't try all three. Pick one, commit to it for 30 days, and post consistently. The people who win in these niches aren't the most talented, they're the ones who started before everyone else. And right now, that's you. And if you want to see the next AI niche before it blows up, subscribe because I'm covering it in my next video. See you there.